Hi, I'm Neha, and this is Abhignan Sai Arcot. This is our Reddit clone REST API for the project built entirely in Gleam. I'll talk you through it while Abhignan will run it and demonstrate all functionalities. First, we go to the terminal and Gleam build to compile the project. We can see it builds successfully, and then Gleam run starts our server on port 8080. We can notice all REST API endpoints displayed, structured similar to Reddit's official API. The server will log every incoming request. Now, in the second terminal, our command line client, if we run it, we can see that it generates a ED25519 key for our bonus digital signature feature. It's important to watch the left terminal right now. As the client make requests, server log appears showing the HTTP method, endpoint status code, and response time. This proves REST API communication. If we go to the test 2 shows user registration with username, password, and public key. Server returns 201 created. If we look at the server log, an account is created via the REST API. Test 4 shows login, post to return a session token. Test 5 retrieves user public key. Test 6 and 7 create subreddits, programming and Gleamlang. Test 8 lists all subreddits, and Test 9 shows that user joins a subreddit. Test 10 shows the user subscription. Test 11 that when a user leaves a subreddit. All subreddit operations are working via the REST. Test 12 and 13 create posts. Notice the digital signature being generated and sent with each post. Test 14 gets the main feed. Test 15 gets subreddit specific post. Test 16 downloads a specific post. Look at the response, which says signature valid, it's true. The server verified the signature on download. That's a bonus requirement. Test 17 demonstrated repost functionality. Test 18 retrieves a user post. Now let's get to hierarchical commenting. Test 19 creates a top level comment. Test 20 replies to it with a parent ID. Test 21 creates a third level reply. Test 22 retrieves all the comments. You can see the parent chain showing proper nesting, and it supports unlimited depth just like Reddit. Test 23 to 26 demonstrate voting, upvote, downvote on both posts and comments. Test 34 retrieves karma. The server computes total votes received. Alice has a karma of 1. Test 27 and 30 show direct messaging. Alice sends Bob a message. Bob replies with a reply to reference for threading. Each user can retrieve their inbox. Test 31 to 33 show search functionality. Test 31 search posts with API. Test 32 searches subreddits. Test 33 searches users. All return matching results. Test 35 to 36 retrieve system and subreddit statistics. We can see that all 36 tests have passed. Every feature works via the REST API. Now demonstrating multiple concurrent clients, this simulation runs 10 users across 5 subreddits simultaneously. If we watch the server logs, requests from a different user arriving at the same time, user 1 is posting, user 3 is commenting, user 7 is voting, all concurrently. Notice disconnected skipping action, simulating realistic connections and disconnection. We use zip distribution, subreddit 1 gets more activity than subreddit 5, modeling real Reddit behavior. We can see the stats here. It shows that there are total 11 users, 14 posts, 14 comments, reposts are created, 44 total actions, all via REST API. To conclude this, registration, login, subreddits, posts, and other actions are implemented all via REST API proven by server logs. We do have a separate video for our bonus. Thank you for watching.